We're going to go ahead and start our sauce. The skillet is still hot. I'm going to turn it on to a medium heat here. We're going to throw our shallots in. Still hearing the sizzle. We're going to cook those until they become tender. In a second after those cook a minute, I'll throw my garlic in here. We don't want that to burn. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn this heat off and I'm going to pour in my cognac. Now this, you got to be very careful doing this, so do this very slowly. We're going to deglaze that pan some. I turn that flame off because I don't want that cognac to hit that flame and flame up. Now what I'm going to do, very carefully again, flambé. Always keep a lid by in case it gets out of hand. You can put it back on there in case you have a little fire. So we're going to flambé that, and we're actually burning out all the alcohol. What we're doing here. Turn my heat back there to about a medium. I'm going to pour in a beef stock, about a cup or so, not much. You can pour in chicken stock if you want to. I like a beef stock. And I'm going to bring this back up to a boil. When it comes back up to a boil, we'll go ahead and add those green peppercorns in there now in the cognac so that can cook on out. Just bring that up to a boil. So I brought that to a boil. I'm going to slowly pour in my cream, about 1 cup of cream. So that was 1/3 a cup of cognac. Use your whisk just to keep it all stirred together. So we're going to bring that to a boil and we're going to cook this until it thickens up. And I'll show you just a minute what it should look like. It's getting nice and thick. I'm going to turn that down a little bit. I don't want to scorch it. Our sauce is really taking shape. I can already tell how it's thickening up. We want it to be thick enough so when we stick this spoon in there, it'll nap to the spoon. It won't just come off like that. So we got a little ways to go. We don't want to forget the all-important point here, though. We want to get our butter out of the refrigerator, our chilled butter, because we're going to work in about 3 tablespoons of this. And I'm going to turn my heat completely off at this point. I'm going to put this butter in here 1 tablespoon at a time and whisk it into this dish. Just work it all the way around. And this is going to give us not only a rich taste to this dish, but it's going to give us that velvety sheen. And you can see that already right there, how beautiful the sheen is on that. All right, butter's melted. Take our steak. That nice little crust on it right there. 120 degrees in the middle. You may want to cook yours a little more. Some people may want to even cook it less. Whatever you want to do, you do it. And I guarantee this is going to be so delicious. You can't put too much sauce on that steak. Your friends are going to love you. Your family's going to love you. Everyone's going to love you. You're going to love yourself for cooking this steak. Thanks for watching today. John Woods with All Things Food. Like this channel today. Like this video because it really helps us a lot. If you haven't subscribed, it's free. We bring you recipes like this every week. But this week as you go out, not only remember, love to cook, but cook to love. And I guarantee everyone watching me today can make a steak exactly like this, 5-star quality.